Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining us now from Lithium Consolidated Mineral Exploration, also known as LCME, is its CEO, Shanthar Pathmanathan. Hi Shanthar, welcome back.
Thank you, Jessica. Pleasure to be here.
First up, Shanthar, you just wrapped up your AGM. What are your key messages to shareholders?
The key messages for shareholders are, firstly, we've got a truly world-class team. Our board has an excellent track record, and our technical team have got an excellent track record as well. Dr. Douglas Haynes was previously the Chief Geologist at BHP Billiton, looks after our work in hard rock lithium. The great discoveries in lithium are still to be made. It's about a $30 billion market, which is tiny. We think the great discoveries are ahead of us. It's going to be through the drill bit. In Western Australia, we expect to make a world-class discovery, potentially one or two world-class discoveries in Western Australia. And secondly, we're also very focused on new opportunities in the form of acquisitions.
Shanthar, can you give us an update on your WA assets?
The WA assets are the brainchild of Dr. Douglas Haynes. Douglas is focused on concealed targets instead of outcropping pegmatites. So what we've done is to follow the lithium fertile belts, which host lithium mines or outcropping pegmatites. We've followed them undercover, and we expect to make a discovery of a world-class resource under very shallow cover of 20 to 30 metres.
And what about Botswana? Tell us what's taking place there.
Jessica, the Botswana assets cover a very large area, over 4,000 square kilometres in the Suwa and Netwete pans in Botswana. These pans are the lowest point of elevation in the Kalahari Basin in Botswana. The water from the entire Kalahari eventually has to drain into these pans. The very lithium-rich geology in the north has been deeply weathered to the point that the hard rock lithium in the north is almost useless, and the lithium mineralization has been transported into our pans over millions of years, and through a process of evapotranspiration, a brine has formed. So what we've done in Botswana is to have these licenses. We encountered a silcrete layer at about 1.5 metres below surface. Next will be a drill program. We had announced that was going to start in November. I can say that we're on track for that. And the objective there is to drill through to 60 metres below surface. And we expect to reach basement in the basin, so basement rock, and to be able to test the full basin formation in Botswana.
And can you give us an update on Nevada?
Shortly after listing, we commenced a technical review of our Nevada and other projects. We involved Mr. Jerry Aiken in SRK, which is a world-leading technical consulting group for this. The outcome of the review was that the Nevada project was assessed to be higher risk and have higher phase 1 exploration costs. As a result of this, we decided to relinquish a large part of our Nevada project. So we've relinquished 1,587 claims. We've kept 439 claims in Nevada. This core position in Nevada is next to the Silver Peak mine, which is operated by Albemarle Corporation, the largest lithium company in the world. And it's the only lithium brine mine in North America. So we've got the entire sub-basin next to the Silver Peak mine. It is the premier lithium brine exploration property in North America. We've held on to it. It's a highly sought after property. Our plan in Nevada is to explore first in WA, then come back to Nevada.
Very good. So what's your cash position and what are your funding requirements?
Jessica, we've got about $3 million as of the last quarterly statement in the bank. We're well funded for what we need to do over the next 12 months. That will be phase 1 exploration drilling in WA and elsewhere. In terms of the next funding, we won't need to do that until we are looking at resource definition drilling at one of our projects.
Last question now, Shanthar, before we let you go. What does the next 12 months look like for the business?
We'll be drilling in Western Australia and Botswana. Results will be coming through very soon and all the way through. We expect to be considering resource definition drilling in 12 months from now. And in terms of new opportunities, we're very active with respect to this, and we like what we can see around the corner for our company. There's going to be a lot of growth for our company, both through the drill bit and in terms of new opportunities.
Well, Shanthar Pathmanathan, thanks so much for the update.
Thank you, Jessica, for having me.